Welcome to this review of the Broughton CR70 Industrial Mobile Dehumidifier. It's a mid-range machine. It's not the smallest, it's not the biggest, but it's a very useful machine for builders and plasterers, the fire and flood restoration market. It's certainly tough enough, and it matches up fairly closely in performance with equivalent models from Calorex and Kroll. Although, to be fair, this machine is quite a lot cheaper than both of those brands. The headline performance of the CR70 is 70 litres per day, but beware, this is taken at 100% RH and 30 degrees centigrade. A more realistic performance that you can expect would be around about 25 litres a day, say at 70% RH and 30 degrees centigrade. In common with the other models from the same range, it has this pull-out drip tray, which is actually really useful because drip tray drains are a common cause of failure in dehumidifiers. It's not that they fail, it's just that the drain blocks up sometimes and they overflow. And being able to pull the tray out and clean it is actually a really handy thing. Because these sort of dehumidifiers are often used in fairly dusty environments, such as where there's plastering going on or building work and that sort of thing, it's useful that the CR70 and indeed the rest of the range have bodywork panels that are fairly easily removed, so that you can get at the inside of the dehumidifier and just brush the dust off. Also worth mentioning is that there are a number of options. There is a dual voltage version for about an extra £120. There are also options of a humidistat, a condensate pump, and an hour counter, making it quite a versatile machine, but in its basic form it offers exceptionally good value. So there you have it, the CR70.